Welcome to our guide on using essential oils in your washing machine. If you're looking to naturally enhance your laundry routine, you've come to the right place. Essential oils offer a fantastic way to add a fresh scent to your clothes while utilizing their natural cleansing properties. In this video, we'll cover how to use essential oils for laundry, step-by-step instructions, benefits, why using essential oils can make a difference. Best oils, our picks for the most effective essential oils for your laundry. Safety tips, important precautions to keep your laundry safe and effective. So let's get started and discover how to make your laundry smell great and feel even better with the help of essential oils. How to use essential oils for laundry. Step 1. Choose your oil. Start by selecting an essential oil that smells pleasant to you and is safe for your laundry. Avoid oils that can stain your clothes, like blue tansy, jasmine, or those with a dark or yellow color. We'll go over the best essential oils to use later in the video, so stay tuned for our recommendations. Step 2. Patch test your oil. Find a hidden patch of fabric on a piece of clothing and put a single drop of oil on it. Let it sit for a minute and then rinse it out. If there's a stain or discoloration left behind, don't use that oil. Also, put a drop of the oil on your skin to see if it causes any irritation, and avoid any that do. Step 3. Dilute your oil. Never use essential oils directly in your laundry. Mix 10 to 20 drops of your chosen essential oil with half a cup of white vinegar or unscented laundry detergent. For a milder scent, use only a few drops. Step 4. Add your oil. If you've mixed the oils with a larger batch of detergent or softener, use it as normal. For a single load, add the diluted oil directly into the washing machine once it's filled with water. You can also add a few drops during the rinse cycle to maximize the fragrance. Benefits of using essential oils in the washing machine. Natural fragrance. Essential oils like lavender, lemon, and eucalyptus leave your clothes smelling fresh and clean without the use of synthetic fragrances. Antibacterial properties. Oils like tea tree and peppermint are great for removing bacteria and odors, especially useful for sportswear and bed linens. Environmentally friendly. Using essential oils reduces your exposure to harsh chemicals, making your laundry routine more sustainable. Best essential oils for the washing machine. Lavender oil calms and relaxes, giving clothes a soothing scent. Lemon oil uplifts and refreshes, and can brighten whites while removing stains. Eucalyptus oil offers a clean and invigorating scent with antimicrobial properties. Tea tree oil, great for its antifungal and antibacterial effects. Peppermint oil energizes and helps in stain removal. Bergamot and grapefruit oils provide a fresh, uplifting scent. Precautions when using essential oils in the washing machine. Dilution is key. Always dilute essential oils before use and follow the recommended dosage to avoid overpowering scents or skin irritation. Pet safety. Be mindful of pets. Some oils can be toxic to animals. Dryer safety. If you wish to use the dryer after washing with essential oils, it's best to perform an extra rinse cycle to ensure all oil residues are thoroughly removed from your clothes. This precaution helps to minimize any risk of fire hazards in the dryer. Alternatively, simply line dry your clothes for extra safety and to preserve the integrity of the oils. Thank you for watching. Try these tips to naturally enhance your laundry with essential oils and enjoy the benefits of cleaner, fresher clothes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your experiences or any questions you have about using essential oils in your washing machine.